In modern automation systems, motion isn't optional. It is the system. And every moving part puts your cables at risk. That's why Automation Direct offers a wide range of cable drag chains from trusted names like Murrplastik and Igus. Built to keep your system moving safely, smoothly, and without compromise. If you're looking for simple, flexible cable protection, the MP10 series from Murrplastik is a great place to start. These drag chains feature open slots for easy cable routing even after installation. With built-in strain relief on the chain brackets, you get extra cable security without extra hardware. This series is highly flexible with excellent torsion properties, and customizing length couldn't be easier. Just add or remove links as needed. For systems that need something a little more but still cost-effective, Automation Direct offers the MP18 and MP3000 series. These chains both feature a convenient hinge and latch design that lets you open them from either side, making it quick to install or replace cables without taking the chain apart. The MP3000 series is better suited for larger cables or higher capacity runs, while the MP18 is ideal for tighter spaces. And like the MP10, they also include strain relief brackets and are easily resized for your layout. For applications or environments that push cable protection to the limit, the Igus 2500 series delivers premium performance. Made from a proprietary polyamide 6 blend, these chains give the highest resistance to abrasion, pressure, temperature swings, and even radiation, making them a great fit for both indoor and outdoor use. The hinged crossbars snap open with a twist, allowing fast, secure access on the outside curve without tools. And thanks to their lightweight design and specialized materials, they even run quieter than traditional chains. No matter the size of your system, the motion requirements, or the environment, Automation Direct has a drag chain solution that fits without overcomplicating your design or your budget. Your system doesn't stand still. Your cable shouldn't suffer because of it. Visit AutomationDirect.com to explore the full lineup of drag chains from Murrplastik and Igus and keep your project and cables moving forward. Click here to learn more. Click here to subscribe so you don't miss out on new products, tutorials, or other Automation Direct videos.